Okay, so we just got the case and we're gonna open it up. Let's open it up. And I was told to be careful with this. Whatever. Alright, okay, so now we got the case. The case is here. Alright, there we go. I'm gonna put it down for a second. Okay. Oh wow, that's heavy. Okay, this is a new case. Is it pretty dark? I think it's kind of dark, isn't it? Let's hold up. Okay, so we just got the case. This is sturdy. It's bigger than my case. Look, it's even thicker. It's taller and thicker than my case. So this is the new case. This is the old case. It's huge. It feels really big. Not gonna lie. It's bigger in every way. It's thicker. It's taller. It has a more length. It's wider. I don't know. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys the motherboard that I got. There we go. The MSI X570. So yeah, I don't know a lot about motherboards. I just know that it was a pretty good motherboard. I saw some reviews online and I thought it was a really good one. So this is the one that I went for, and this is gonna go in there in a bit. So yeah, so the power supply that I got, it's hold up, let me flip it over. It's a Corsair RM750. If I'm not mistaken, it's 80 plus gold, so I guess that's pretty good. It's fully modular as well, so that's good as well. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so yeah, I bought some new parts to upgrade my PC, my current PC, which is right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some parts out of this PC and we're gonna put them over here and upgrade them. I bought a new motherboard and I bought a new power supply and a new case. So we're gonna see what we do. So let's open this up first. Wow. Okay, so I'm not quite sure how to open this. Here are the antennas, some cables, some more cables. I'm pretty sure they're like SATA cables or something. Put aside. We got, I don't know what this is. Anyone know what this is? I'm not sure what this is. Anyways, we got this DVD. No one uses DVD anymore. Some papers. I just put them aside for now. And we got this tiny little screw here, but I don't know if you can see very well. There's this tiny little screw. Two little screws actually. And there's just some installation guide. So let's put it aside for right now. And it doesn't come with much more, so that's about it. Besides the MPG X570 Gaming Edge Wi-Fi. I don't know what this is. It's, I'm guessing for like the motherboard. Anyways, but we're gonna be keeping this. We're gonna put them right there. Anyways, so and let's open this up. This power supply. So okay, where do you open from? Okay, so let's put that aside and let's open this up. Okay, so we got that. So as you can see, this is a 750 watt power supply. It's fully modular, so that's good. The power supply that is currently in my PC is not modular, and it's 500 watts. So this is an upgrade. So I'm not sure how you open it though. Oh no, there we go. There we go. You open it from. I don't think you open it from up here, so you open it from here. There we go. And it goes down like this. I have a very small space here, so here's the power cable, like the one that you connect to the wall, to the outlet. All the cables that you're gonna need to connect everything. So that's cool. And then this is the power supply itself. It's not that big actually. I thought it was gonna be bigger. I don't know. When I saw the box, I thought, is this power supply gonna be huge? So it's not. It's pretty small actually. Let me just. Okay, so here it is. Hold on 1 second. So this is the power supply. Oh, there's some like zip ties. I almost forgot the name of this. Zip ties. Okay, so this is the power supply. It's upside down. Anyways, well, that's the power supply. Let's put it aside. Why is there so much stuff? Like extra like packaging stuff. So this is gonna go inside here, and this is the new case. Once I start taking everything apart from my old computer, which is right here. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so let me just. Whew. Okay, so let me just put that right here for right now. Okay, so now we're gonna have to take all of this apart so that we can fit into my new PC, well, my new case, and yeah, let me get a tripod real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna start doing this. I also got this. I forgot to mention, I got a pack of RAM, so 16 gigabytes, so I'm gonna add that as well. So let's start taking things apart. So okay, and I'm pretty sure that you just take it out. So here's the graphics card. Alright, so that's there. That's that. There we go. Alright, we got this out. Let's connect the drives right now, so they don't have to be taking up space. Okay, that's one. Okay, we got that disconnected. Put that here right now. Okay, so alright, well, let's put this aside. Oh, okay. Anyways, let's look at the back right now. There's some cable screws that, case screws that we're gonna need. So, well, let's just put that right here for right now. So, the case cables we're not gonna need right now. So you have to be very gentle with this, with the motherboard itself. So, but it's not great. Whew. Here we go. You guys can see that. Looks pretty nice. So, wow, this actually looks really nice. I'm not gonna lie, it looks really good. So, what we're gonna do, we're supposed to just we're supposed to actually get the. Hold on. Yeah, why do I even have this here first? Hold on. Sorry about this. Put this in here first, and then we'll get the case and everything. I don't know why I wanted to start putting everything in the case already. I'm pretty low. This is the old motherboard right here, right next to it. You guys can't see it really well, but it's right here. So let's just. Is that? I don't want to get it wrong. So. Nope. It's not good. Okay, there we go. So now we just need to okay, so now we need to put this in. Is it like this? It's like this. I was scared for a second. Okay, so yesterday I ordered this water cooler from Best Buy, and it arrived today. So I'm going to unbox it right now. So let me just. Okay. So I think we got it. There we go. It's an NZXT Kraken X53. Let's do this. Let me put you in the tripod real quick. Okay, so let's move this aside real quick, and I'm gonna open my water cooler. Okay. Excuse the mess, but hold up. There we go. That's my old motherboard. Don't mind it. So like I said, I just ordered this. I ordered this yesterday. Last night. Yesterday. At first, it's a pretty good water cooler. So okay. There we go. There's nothing else in the box, so I'm just gonna put that aside. And this, I'm guessing, is a radiator right here. Connect the fans and stuff to the motherboard. Okay, here we go. Let's put that aside. There we go. Okay, so, whew. This is it. This actually looks pretty nice. So it has pre-applied thermal paste, so that's good because I forgot to buy thermal paste. There we go. Look at CPU. So this is the old CPU, which I'm still gonna use, and this is the old cooler. And the reason why I got this new water cooler is because this cooler didn't fit in the new motherboard. So okay, so I tried to clean it as best as possible. I don't know if you guys can see that. Why is it not focusing? There you go. So I didn't clean it that well. I tried to clean it as best as I could right now. So that's. There we go. So let's get in a little bit. Okay, there we go. So I popped in the CPU. It's nice and snug. Okay, so let's try and put this here. So that's good. Now what we have to do is we're gonna get the cables for this before we mount it to my case. So Okay, so I've tried connecting some of these cables, but it's getting pretty complicated. So I'm gonna put it in my case now. So give me a quick second. Man, let's move this out of the way for right now. Huge case. Okay, let's put it down right here. Okay, so now let me put my motherboard in here real quick. Okay, there we go. So now, and so let me get the case screws and we'll start screwing the motherboard down. Right, be right back. Okay, so let's put in our power supply. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay. So today's the next day. I really didn't have much time to be filming the process of me building my computers, but I finished it. It's done, and it's gonna be the first boot up. Oh, I'm excited. I'm nervous. Okay, so the screen is blank. But let me turn on the power supply. Okay. Oh my god. Oh! Okay. Oh, it turned on. Turned on. What's happening? Is it supposed to happen? Damn, that looks so sick. Oh, I didn't even have my keyboard. Oh, wait, hold up. Okay, so it says press F1, sorry, to run setup. Okay, F1. Press delete key to, oh, okay, never mind. Whoa. This is the BIOS. Okay, memory. 21 megahertz. I can't have it running at 21 megahertz. So it's supposed to be running at 3000 megahertz, but currently they're running at 2100 megahertz. So, I think you have to press advance, overclock. Let's see. RAM. So, there we go. Yes. Okay. Oh man, that looks so cool though. Oh, here we go. It's booting up. Is it? I'm nervous. I've never been through this before. I've never kind of like built a PC. I mean, I already had some parts like the CPU and the GPU and the hard drives, but other than that, I replaced everything else. So I'm nervous. Oh, here we go. Oh. Okay, let me just put in my password real quick. Okay, so I put in my password. It booted up. Everything's working fine. Everything's working well. I just need to check, double check, to see if the RAM is running how it's supposed to at 3000 megahertz. Let me see. Hold up. Memory 3000 megahertz. I don't know if you can see it. 3000. There we go. See? That's the problem that I had with my last PC. I put the two RAM sticks in, and it would only run at like 2100 megahertz. So I'm glad that's solved, and I'm glad it's running. so that's good. Anyways, I'll probably post a review later, another day about this, or I'll make another video talking about the parts that I chose and something like that. So I'm pretty tired. I've been working on this the whole day, so, and I've been trying to cable manage it as best as I could. It's not the best. Look, I'll show you guys. Okay, it's my first time building a PC, so I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks like a mess back here, but yeah, I don't know. I try to kind of like put these cables right here, route them around, and I'm still gonna work on that right now. But I'm pretty much done. I'm just gonna put some like cable ties around some of these cables, and then I'm gonna close it up. So that's it. So thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. See ya.